morning. Joining me now are Rena Roy, outside court, and also former federal prosecutor Neama Rahmani. All right, Rena, what's the latest in court this hour?
Well, Kira, the jury sent a note about 70 minutes into deliberations. We don't know exactly what that note said, but our teams inside court tell us that the lawyers rushed back to the courtroom. They are now aggressively scrolling on their laptops. They are taking notes. Combs is there as well. The judge and the jury are not quite yet. We are told he's just sitting in his chair staring ahead. At one point, though, he grabbed a laptop as well and started scrolling. So we'll have to see what this is all about. But earlier this morning, the jury's first task was to elect a foreperson. We know that they chose juror number 5. She is a 42-year-old woman from Manhattan who works as a nursing home aide. And in her jury selections, she said that she gets her news by word of mouth and that she was familiar with the allegations against Combs. And we know that they are behind closed doors at this hour. And for deliberations, they were given portions of the trial transcript. They were also given a laptop with the evidence, a list of exhibits, a copy of the judge's lengthy and complicated instructions that they were given this morning as well. The judge told them to only base their decision on the evidence or lack thereof in this trial, Kira.
All right. Well, Neama, for a case like this, how long do you expect deliberations to last? What's your gut telling you?
Kira, really a good rule of thumb is the jury tends to deliberate for 1 hour for each day of witness testimony. So we're looking at 3 to 4 days. And obviously, this week is a short week because of the 4th of July holiday, so never underestimate the power of a 3-day weekend to motivate 12 strangers to get a verdict so they can go home to their friends and family. But if I were to guess, I'd probably say Wednesday would be the most likely. Thursday, you start really running up against the clock. If we come back next week, the week of July 7th, we're really looking at the possibility of these jurors being deadlocked or hung on at least one of the counts.
So, Rena, Neama, we'll be following every moment today as things probably are going to wrap up this week. Appreciate you both. Thank you.